Hi there. In today's Ninja Art Tip, I want to talk to you about getting started. When you're when you're thinking about doing a drawing or thinking about doing a painting, I don't know if you've ever had it happen where you think, oh, I'm just going to go and create something. And then a whole pile of thoughts come into your mind and you eventually somehow talk yourself out of it. Has this ever happened to you? So my tip of the day for today is very short. It is stop thinking. Stop thinking and start creating. So start drawing, start painting, whatever. It doesn't matter what it is, but just stop the thinking part. It's the thinking that trips you up. So in the Zen and the Art of Art book, Foundations, I talk a bit about the Zen mind and modern mind. And modern mind's a little bit like left brain, quite a logical, fast-oriented, time-oriented part of your mind. So modern mind is always trying to look after you. And you may have had some problems in the past where maybe a drawing didn't work or a painting didn't work or somebody criticized your art. And it sort of destroys your little inner child, your little inner being. And that's a painful thing when those little things happen. And so modern mind will try and protect you from that. And so the sequence might be something like this. I say to myself, okay, I'm gonna draw. I'm gonna do this daily challenge. I'm gonna pick up a pencil and I'm gonna draw something, anything. And then all these thoughts come into my mind. What if my drawing's not good enough? Or I look around and I go, that's too hard, that's too simple. What are people going to think if I draw something really simple? That one's too complicated. You look around and you just cannot find something. So you hear these thoughts going through your mind that are stopping you from picking up the pencil. So the stop thinking thing, you have to be aware of your thoughts first. And that's what Zen mind is all about, is starting to become aware of the thoughts that are in your head. Sometimes they flash through so fast you don't even notice them, but they'll trip you up and they'll convince you to go and clean the kitchen instead of picking up a pencil and drawing something and having some fun, because maybe art is too much fun. I've got all these other things to do. Art is too frivolous. All those crazy thoughts that go through your head. So if the very first step in your Zen mind training for your art journey is to start to become aware of those thoughts. So you need to become a bit like a watcher. You're watching your thoughts. It's a very strange concept if you've never done it before, but the very first step is you've got to be aware of your thoughts. So you need to watch those thoughts that are going through your head. So that's kind of it in a nutshell. I could talk a bit more about it, but I hope you get the general idea. If you find yourself thinking about doing a drawing or a painting, and then a little bit later on you realize you've talked yourself out of it, have a think about what were the thoughts that went through your head and see if you can trip them up next time. That's your modern mind. That's the enemy who's trying to keep you safe from criticism. But you want to go over into Zen mind, which is a bit more like your little inner child, where you're in the moment and playing and having fun. You deserve to have fun. So that's your tip for today. And don't forget, if you want to have a look at some more tutorials, video tutorials, fun downloadables, all that sort of stuff, go to the dojo at zenartart.com. And please like, share, interact, comment, tell me what you think of this crazy, weird mind stuff that we're talking about. Comment below so that Facebook doesn't hide this post away. Thank you very much for watching.